Hello guys, welcome back to the day 27, and today we will be talking about the little advance of HTML as well as the beginning of CSS. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, as we all know. We have learned it in school if you are from India. I don't know about foreign, and yeah, you can have recognized me from my accent, of course. And now we will be talking about the tag which I use most in HTML, which is div span. I use both actually. They both work actually, and I am pretty happy with it. I also like the video tag, music to make some interesting things, and comments are the very useful. And so also the line of HTML ends here. HTML is not like a very big topic actually. You can cover most of the HTML in 4 or 5 hours in a day, but the main thing is you need to understand what does all of that do fundamentally. Okay, so now let's talk about CSS. Cascading style sheet. Pretty useful actually, giving the flavors that an classic HTML web page needs. Okay, it's an extension type. Like for HTML file, you have to write .htm or .html. Like that, you have to for CSS, you have to write .css. Pretty nice actually. Then you have to link, and you have to test it if it is linked. And also one more thing, if you are making a simple website which contains only 2 or 3 web pages, then okay, you can name it however you want. Name it okay, good, web page one. But if you're making a big, I recommend doing something which I called it as organization. Sorry, organize. Like if you're making a web page has so many resources or images or videos, then put them in different folders. Organize it. You will need it. And at the type of publishing, you have to just throw the big folder at the website, so you don't have to do much more that. Now, also one more thing, please store the files locally on some web folder. Do not store like this folder is in like D drive, then this one is in this video is from F drive, this image in the hard disk. Don't do that. You will be only trouble. And the most important thing, naming. Please name them pretty easily. Okay, you have to not go hard actually. I use classic index, then index 2, index 3. You will not have to go like my first website part 1, my first web page part 1. It will only be troublesome for you actually, and for your friend who does all your debugging. So in CSS you can do the basic like positioning, size changing, background color, font color, animations, and also I forgot about hyperlinks. How can I forget? You can add convert anything into hyperlink by using that a tag, which is pretty useful. I can say it. No, CSS is not very difficult. Okay, it's I can say it's not even a language because it's pretty complex if you make something like a nav bar or things like that. And that's it for today. I don't know what to tell you about. And also, if you want to make a nav bar, then you have to use an ordered list. You have to modify things. There is not a separate tags or separate methods. You have to convert the common thing into an advance Don't worry, there are plenty of tutorials and AI is there to help you. And that's it for today. Goodbye and see you on the day 28.